BMW just dropped a bombshell on the luxury SUV market. Meet the 2026 BMW X9, the boldest, most luxurious, and most technologically advanced SUV BMW has ever built. Think of it as the spiritual successor to the X7, but elevated in size, style, and sophistication. But is it truly worth the hype, or just a flashy status symbol? Let's dive deep into everything you need to know, from the stunning design, ultra-luxe interior, powerhouse engine, pricing, and the risks you need to consider before buying. The 2026 BMW X9 doesn't whisper luxury, it screams it. Stretching over 5.3 meters long, this full-size SUV carries a commanding presence with BMW's signature oversized kidney grilles, now even more sculpted and illuminated for dramatic effect. The sleek laser headlights slice through the night like a scalpel, while the muscular lines along the body hint at the raw power underneath. Flush door handles, 24-inch alloy wheels, a coupe-style roofline, and aerodynamic tweaks all scream one thing: this isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling statement. The rear gets a full-width OLED light bar, echoing the modern design language we've seen on the i7 and XM. And yes, it's available in stunning two-tone paint finishes that elevate its curb appeal to Bentley levels. Step inside, and you're greeted by a space that rivals private jets in opulence. The X9 is a tech sanctuary wrapped in fine leather, glass, and ambient lighting. The floating curved display stretches across the dashboard, housing a massive 14.9-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch digital driver display, both running the latest BMW iDrive 9. Second-row passengers? They're getting first-class treatment, optional captain's chairs, individual touchscreens, massaging functions, heated and cooled seats, and even a 32-inch 8K theater screen that folds down from the roof. Under the hood, the 2026 X9 offers beastly power options. Starting with a twin-turbo V8 mild hybrid producing 635 horsepower, the same engine found in the XM Label Red. But that's not all. BMW is offering a fully electric X9 M60e variant boasting over 750 horsepower, capable of launching this 3-ton titan from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. Ludicrous, right? All-wheel drive comes standard, and the adaptive air suspension with predictive road scanning ensures a ride smoother than silk. Need to off-road? Don't worry, it has off-road modes, rear-wheel steering, and adjustable ride height to glide over anything. Now for the big question: how much will all this Bavarian brilliance cost you? The base model X9 xDrive 60 starts at around $112,000, while the fully loaded V8 and EV variants can easily push past $160,000. With customizations, BMW individual options, and packages, you're looking at a potential $180,000 plus price tag. It's a steep climb, but BMW is aiming squarely at the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Mercedes-Maybach GLS, and Range Rover SV. Of course, no dream SUV is perfect. Let's talk risks. First, depreciation. Large luxury SUVs notoriously lose value fast, and with the X9's high-tech components, long-term maintenance could get pricey outside warranty. Second, size. This beast may be a struggle to park in tight city spaces, and its sheer weight affects real-world efficiency. Third, BMW's software ecosystem is cutting-edge but may be overwhelming for non-tech-savvy drivers. And let's not ignore the EV variant's charging infrastructure, which still has limitations in many areas. Lastly, if you're buying it purely as a status symbol, remember, the competition is fierce. Mercedes, Bentley, and even Lucid have their own showstoppers in this space. The 2026 BMW X9 isn't just another SUV, it's a symbol of how far BMW has come in the luxury, tech, and performance race. It blends brute strength with elegance, and cutting-edge innovation with timeless design. But is it the ultimate luxury SUV for you? Let us know in the comments, would you take the X9 over a Range Rover or a Mercedes-Maybach? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives on the hottest rides of 2026.